Take a look at these plantains, veg friends. These starchy beauties are so good, it's bananas. Think I'll take them to Belgium, a land with frites, mussels, and waffles. Ever seen a plantain waffle before? Hey, Madge, get in here. Some guy on TV is making a waffle with plantains. And now for a classic Andalusian sauce. Because unlike their cousins, the bananas, plantains are savory, not sweet. These here are sweet little piquillo peppers. Did I say sweet or tweet? A little shallot, chop it nice and fine. You could put this sauce on anything, and I'll prove it as soon as this waffle is done. It's waffle time. I gotta get the sauce in for my waffles. Oh, come on. Can you believe that's a plantain waffle? Hey, veg heads, if you don't have one of these, plantain pancakes, right? I gotta try a piece. Wow, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Well, you look at that. Next time you make brunch, serve this up to your family. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's tangy and spicy. This is so good.